Version 20.
Stop it, God.
Well, this is version 20. Oh dear. That was 4.
Huh?
That was 4.
Okay. Mr. Smarty.
Is that 7 or 6?
I don't know. I don't think it's 7.
You know what? You're probably right. Well, oh well, oh well. The first sneeze day at Portillo's in Bolingbrook at 53 and pound. And I said it over the camera too.
Huh?
I said it over the camera too. Oh my god. Now we're going back to back. Oh my god! 2 minutes already of you videotaping you sneezing? Dang. We'll see. I feel like this is gone forever. I feel like this is gone forever. Oh no.
Okay, you ready?
Oh shoot, there was like a fire truck or ambulance that passed by. Oh well. Alright, that's it.